Welcome to Toolsmet. In today's video, we're taking an in-depth look at one of the most versatile and creative machines in any woodworking workshop, the wood lathe machine. If you love shaping wood with precision, or you're planning to start a woodworking hobby or business, then this review is just for you. A wood lathe machine is specially designed to rotate a piece of wood at a controlled speed while you shape it using various cutting tools. This makes it perfect for creating rounded, symmetrical, and beautifully detailed pieces like table legs, chair spindles, bowls, cups, decorative columns, pens, and countless artistic designs. Now, let's break down how it works. At the heart of every wood lathe is its motor. A powerful motor ensures consistent speed and torque, allowing smooth turning even on hardwood. Most good quality lathes come with adjustable speed control, starting from low RPM for rough shaping and going all the way up to high RPM for fine finishing, sanding, and polishing. This flexibility is what makes a lathe so beginner-friendly yet professional enough for expert woodworkers. Next comes the bed, the long, solid base of the lathe. A cast iron or steel bed reduces vibration and gives stability, which is extremely important when you're working on delicate designs. A steady machine means clean cuts, accurate shapes, and safe operation. Mounted on the bed are two key components, the headstock and the tailstock. The headstock holds the motor and spindle, which grips the wood and spins it. The tailstock supports the other end of the wood piece and can be adjusted to fit different lengths. Together, they ensure your workpiece stays steady, secure, and perfectly aligned while turning. One of the most important features you'll use is the tool rest. This is where you position your chisels, gouges, or turning tools while shaping the wood. A good tool rest allows smooth movement and full control, helping you carve curves, edges, and precise details with confidence. Now let's talk about what you can actually make with a wood lathe. From simple projects like handles, knobs, and spindles, to advanced creations like wooden bowls, decorative vases, lamp bodies, rolling pins, and furniture components. The possibilities are endless. Many craftsmen even build full-time businesses selling custom-turned wooden products. That's the beauty of the lathe. It turns imagination into reality. Safety, as always, is essential. Proper eye protection, dust control, sharp tools, and stable positioning are all important for safe operation. A well-designed lathe machine helps with this by offering strong build quality, vibration control, and smooth speed adjustments. What makes a lathe machine truly worth buying? Look for features like a robust motor, solid bed construction, smooth bearings, easy tool rest adjustment, and a wide RPM range. These factors ensure long-lasting performance and help you achieve professional results.